Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Grandma and Grandpa Nelson. Merry Christmas, Aunt Pam and Uncle Jeff. And Aunt Andrea and Uncle Pat. And Aunt Jean and Uncle John. And Aunt Marcia and Uncle Jeff. Yay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, you're having such a good Christmas, aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah, you opened all your presents. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, you're having a great Christmas, aren't you? Yes, you're talking so much. Yes, you are. Okay. I love you all, my cousins. I can't wait to see you this summer. Right? You're so excited about your trip, aren't you? Yeah. That was the best squeal you've ever done, I think. Yeah. Yeah, just for Grandma and Gramps. And all your aunts and uncles and all your cousins. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.